Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I have been complaining that I couldn't start filming and it's been an hour that I'm sitting here, but I think now I can. I hope. I pray. Today's video was supposed to be me using only my mother's makeup to recreate the look, but there's so much construction going on. If you follow me on Instagram, you know. Started. Yeah, so this is going on, so I'm not going to talk and just show you the look. Yes, let's just get started. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this Nykaa brow palette. What is it called? It's called, yeah, it's the brow palette. So I have been really loving it. And I'm going to use this Faces brush and just do my eyebrows. Keeping my eyebrows like really natural and not like overfilling them or something. So for the eyes, we keep it up to here as of now and move on to our base. For concealer, I'm using two concealers because again this Wet n Wild one is just my skin tone and a tad bit darker, so this will work good to hide my dark circles, and the other sugar one will work as a highlighter. This concealer is my favorite. It's so good, and I'm using my favorite concealer brush. This is PAC 221. If you don't want to use a highlighting concealer, then you can just use one concealer and be done with it. I just need a little bit of highlighting under my eyes. I'm going to use this and also around my face. I think here I should have used the other one. I will. Finally, the noise has like decreased a little bit, so I'm trying to talk. I don't know when it will just get started. So I'm highlighting this because I want my contour to look brighter. Now I'll just set my under eyes real quick using the same Fit Me Loose powder. So I'm setting rest of my face as well with the powder. So I took my sponge and dipped it in with a really less quantity of powder. You don't need a lot, and just do this. If you have a powder puff, you can go ahead and use that also. And since this Diwali, we are all going to wear masks, so make sure you're setting your face really nicely. I hope none of you are like going out to celebrate. Just stay indoors. I know it's a lot, but can we really help it? It's a pandemic and the virus is not gone yet. It's still there and people are still suffering from it. So yes, just try to like stay indoors. So now for my face, I'm going to take this Sugar De-Force Contour Bronzer in the shade 01. So I always had the shade 01 and I recently saw the shade 02 and it was not really a bronzer. It would just work as a blush for most of the skin tones. You know, it's really light in color. So if you want to get this, just get it in the shade 01 only and not 02. And it's a very amazing product. I have got such a huge double chin. I gained 4 kgs guys after I came home. So now for the blush, it's a disaster. I just broke the Nykaa blush. I'm really sad about it, but I'm going to use this one still. I need to fix the pan which I will later today. It's a very pretty and like a natural flush of color. So now we'll just do the rest of our eyes, and the construction is back again. So let me just tell you very quickly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use the same palette and the black shade and draw eyeliner and smoke it out a little bit. Because it's Diwali, you want to go a bit glam even if you are like wearing pastels and like doing pastels. I'm just going to like do an eyeliner and just smoke it out, and you guys are going to see whatever I'm doing. So after you have smoked out the black as much as you want, we'll just take this shade, it's a medium brown, and I'll just like smoke out the edges so that there's no harsh line. I think this one looks like pretty glam and your eyes look like big and bold, and it's very easy. You can opt for a normal wing liner, or like you can just not wear a liner if you want. But this is a very easy eye look. You just put a pastel peachy color on your crease, some shimmer on your lids and eyeliner, and you're done. So next we'll apply mascara, and for that I'm going to use my like old favorite. This is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I love this, and I will just curl my lashes. My lashes are poker straight, so I need to curl them. Now I can put my earrings on before moving on to our lipsticks. So only two things are left, that is highlighter and lipstick. So first, before putting on highlighter, I'll just spray my face with some setting spray. This one is from L'Oreal. This is the Infallible range. It smells really weird. And I think today I'm going to use this shade. It's a Paisa Vasool palette, guys. So my camera just turned off. So what I did was I took the same highlighter shade and applied some of it on my inner corners of my eyes and a little bit extra on the nose. So yes, as I was saying, that I'm not going anywhere, so I don't need to worry about the mask and my makeup getting ruined because of the mask. I'm staying home, nobody's coming to my house, and neither I am going somewhere, so I can put as much makeup as I want and whatever formula of lipstick that I want. So then what I did was I took this lip liner from Nykaa, it's in the shade Mocha, and I just like outlined. Like I have been really loving glosses, so I am gonna do gloss. You do whatever you want, but I think gloss will look so pretty with this look. So I'm going to use this Patrick Ta lip gloss in the shade She's Expensive. Here we go. So pretty. Now it's time for some really pretty bindi. So just use this stone bindi today. Yes. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked the look, and I hope you guys find it easy to recreate, and if you do, then do not forget to let me know. So yes, this is the look, and I think this is the only Diwali look that I'm going to film because I don't have time. So yes, I kind of really like this look, and if you do, let me know. So yes, I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.